Mike Lester CH. Mike Lester CH. Hi guys, good afternoon. I just bought a Globe Prepaid Wi-Fi, so it will help me with my work. Considering that I'm having work from home and then the signal's not good, especially now that it's raining. So I guess I need it. So actually here, I'm gonna open this one and let's see.
Hi guys, so I'm home, and then normally when I'm home I change right away my clothes, so and also wash hands to make sure that I'm clean. You know already the situation with the quarantine, and also I just like to unbox this thing I bought, the prepaid Home Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see what's inside. Alright, you're gonna open this one. By the way, I had the seller have this activated already, and that's why it's open, so it saved me time, but I'll just like to show you. Looks like, so this is the main thing here, the Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi. This is the actually just 1499. The manual is here. Actually, it has what's inside the box, so it will give you instructions, warranty certificate, SIM already inside, this is also the manual, gives you the details, frequently asked questions, so you can check on it as well. Stickers, and these ones are very important. Okay. And then also what we have here are these. So this is for the people you're gonna connect here. This one. Okay. Then the other one. And then the other one is here if you'd like to have direct line, LAN, right? More. So it doesn't have the antenna. The other one has the antenna, so this one is just something good too. See if it will work. So actually the first one has the 10 gig free, so you can enjoy this. Okay, and let's try if it will work. If not, I'll return it to the seller. Okay, to get the password, you just check the back of the modem. Here you can see here the Wi-Fi name, Globe at Home, and then next is the Wi-Fi password. You're gonna just have to use that one. You actually have the IP address as well, username, user, and the password. So you just use this and you'll be able to connect. Alright, I'm going to do it now. Alright, you can see here it's connected and secure. So
I can now enjoy watching my YouTube. Very good, right? I can now enjoy my time to watch YouTube at the same time do my work. My job will be better now that I have good internet connection.
alright, that's it guys. So you can see here, if you would ask why I bought this prepaid instead of the monthly or the postpaid, it's because I travel a lot and I just seldom go home. So it won't be a good investment if I buy something that has monthly cost and then I just don't use it much. So better have this prepaid. Alright, before I end, just don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and of course the notification bell, click on it so that you'll be able to have more updates about me. So until next time, thank you very much and stay happy.